Imagine discovering a website so powerful, it feels like it shouldn't even be free. A hidden platform filled with premium Photoshop brushes, cinematic presets, PSD templates, realistic mockups, AI tools, textures, fonts, social media templates, and creative assets. All available without paying a single dollar, no subscription, no hidden fees, no annoying signups. When I first found this website, I genuinely thought it was fake. Because websites with resources this good are usually locked behind expensive memberships. But somehow, this one isn't. The website is PS files, and honestly, this might be one of the most useful websites for creators in 2026, especially for graphic designers, YouTubers, freelancers, thumbnail creators, photo editors, digital artists, and AI content creators. Now, before I show you the craziest parts, you need to understand why websites like this are becoming so important. Right now, content creation is moving faster than ever. Every day, millions of people upload videos, thumbnails, ads, graphics, branding, animations, social media posts. And the biggest advantage today is speed. The faster you create professional-looking content, the more attention you can capture online. That's exactly where this website becomes dangerous. Because instead of wasting hours searching random websites for assets, everything is already organized in one place. And trust me, the collection here is massive. The first thing that caught my attention was the Photoshop brushes section. If you use Photoshop, you already know how important good brushes are. Professional brushes can instantly improve artwork quality. And this website has huge collections of painting brushes, hair brushes, smoke effects, cloud brushes, texture brushes, cinematic brushes, drawing tools, and artistic effects. Some of these honestly look like premium marketplace assets. And the best part, most of them are free for commercial use. Now imagine being a beginner designer. Instead of spending money on expensive brush packs, you suddenly have access to professional resources immediately. That alone can completely improve your workflow. But then I explored the presets section, and this part impressed me even more, because presets are one of the biggest shortcuts in modern design. You know those cinematic Instagram edits, professional thumbnail colors, dramatic photo effects. Many creators spend years learning advanced color grading. But presets help speed up that process. With one click, an image can suddenly feel more cinematic and professional. This is incredibly useful for YouTubers, photo editors, social media creators, freelancers, and content creators trying to improve visual quality fast. But honestly, the mockup section might be the most powerful category on the entire website. And if you don't know what mockups are, they basically help present designs realistically. Instead of showing a flat logo, you can place it on a business card, a billboard, a hoodie, a phone, a product package, or even a building wall. And instantly, the design feels premium. This matters a lot for freelancers and creators because presentation changes perception. Even simple designs can look expensive with good mockups. And this website has mockups for almost everything. Logo mockups, phone mockups, packaging mockups, poster mockups, book mockups, laptop mockups, clothing mockups, and honestly, some of them look insanely professional. Now think about this carefully. A beginner designer with the right mockups can suddenly make their portfolio look much stronger. That's powerful, especially today, where first impressions online matter more than ever. Now, another section that surprised me was the social media templates. This part can save creators hours of work. Instead of designing everything from scratch, you can simply edit ready-made PSD templates. And they have templates for Instagram posts, stories, Facebook ads, YouTube banners, WhatsApp statuses, promotional graphics, and marketing posts. This is extremely useful for businesses, freelancers, content creators, and people managing multiple social media pages, because speed matters now. The faster you can create professional content, the faster you can grow online. And honestly, that's one reason why modern creators are succeeding faster than before. They use systems, templates, AI tools, workflow shortcuts. And speaking of AI, the AI tools section on this website is honestly underrated. Most people focus only on the downloadable assets, but the online tools are extremely useful too. There's a background remover, image compressor, WEBP converter, PSD editor online, measurement converter, and an AI prompt generator. Now, the AI prompt generator is especially interesting because prompting has become a real skill now. Whether you use ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Flux, Kling, or HeyGen, and who knows, maybe this website becomes the thing that helps level up your content completely. If you want more hidden AI tools, powerful creator websites, futuristic resources, and game-changing platforms, subscribe now, because the next tool I found might actually be even crazier.